2024 has been a fantastic year for K-drama fans. From thrilling plots to unforgettable characters, here are the top 10 must-watch K-dramas of the year. 10. Welcome to Sandalri. Welcome to Sandalri began airing in late 2023 and concluded its run in 2024, earning its place as one of the most heartwarming dramas of the year. Set on the picturesque Jeju Island, the show follows the journey of Jo Yoon-hae, a successful photographer whose life crumbles after a scandal. Forced to leave her high-profile career in Seoul, she returns to her humble hometown and reconnects with her childhood friend, Jo Young-pil, who is now a weather forecaster. The drama offers a slower pace compared to other modern K-dramas, but that's part of its charm. The serene landscapes of Jeju become a soothing backdrop as the characters navigate grief, healing, and rediscovering love. Ji Chang-wook and Shin Hae-sun's chemistry is palpable, making this a must-watch for fans of romance and character-driven stories. 9. Love in the Big City. Adapted from the acclaimed novel of the same name, Love in the Big City is a groundbreaking drama that breaks away from traditional K-drama tropes. The story revolves around a gay man who struggles with acceptance from his conservative mother, a decade-long friendship with his straight roommate, and self-discovery during a trip to Thailand. What sets this drama apart is its anthology-like structure, with each chapter of the protagonist's life directed by a different filmmaker. This unique approach creates a rich tapestry of emotions, showcasing the protagonist's journey from heartache to empowerment. Its representation of LGBTQ+ themes is a bold and much-needed step forward in the K-drama industry. 8. Captivating the King. Captivating the King transports viewer to the Joseon era with its rich storytelling and complex characters. The story follows Prince Lee-in, who becomes a hostage of the King dynasty, earning the disdain of his older brother, the king. After ascending to the throne, Lee-in becomes intrigued by Kang Hee-soo, a skilled baduk player who is secretly a woman on a mission for revenge. What starts as a tale of political intrigue soon evolves into a gripping romance. The chemistry between the leads is electric, and the show's attention to historical detail immerses viewer in a world of power struggles, betrayal, and forbidden love. 7. Chief Detective 1958. As a prequel to the long-running Chief Inspector series, Chief Detective 1958 offers a nostalgic look at detective work in South Korea during the late 1950s. The drama captures the challenges of solving crimes in an era before modern technology, focusing on a group of detectives navigating corruption and limited resources. Lee Je-hoon leads the ensemble cast with a compelling performance that balances grit and heart. The show's period-specific setting, combined with its classic crime procedural elements, makes it a standout for fans of historical dramas and mysteries. 6. Parasite, The Grey. Based on the iconic Japanese manga Parasite, this live-action adaptation brings its horrifying creatures to life with stellar CGI and gripping storytelling. Parasite, The Grey explores the impact of parasitic beings beyond Japan, focusing on Jang Soo-in, a woman whose life is turned upside down by an alien invasion. While the show delivers plenty of chills, it also delves into deeper questions about humanity, survival, and morality. The blend of horror and emotional depth makes this a must-watch for fans of the genre, whether they're familiar with the original source material or not. 5. Pyramid Game. Dubbed as the spiritual successor to Squid Game, Pyramid Game takes place in Baccheon Girls' High School, where students are ranked monthly in a ruthless popularity contest. Those at the bottom face relentless bullying, creating a tense and brutal environment. New transfer student Seong Soo-ji refuses to accept her fate as the lowest-ranked student and leads a rebellion against the system. With its fresh cast and unpredictable twists, Pyramid Game keeps viewers on the edge of their seats. It's a chilling commentary on social hierarchies and the consequences of blind compliance. Pyramid Game's almost entirely female cast is the biggest selling point. Unlike most popular K-dramas that are full of big names, the majority of Pyramid Game's cast are fresh faces in the genre. Thrilling to watch, making Pyramid Game a K-drama that is one of 2024's must-watches. 4. Death's Game. Death's Game is a thought-provoking drama that follows Choi Ye-jae, a man who encounters death after attempting to end his life. Condemned to live 12 different lives, each ending in death, Ye-jae embarks on a journey of self-discovery and redemption. With its star-studded cast and innovative storytelling, Death's Game tackles heavy themes like mental health and the value of life. Seo In-guk's performance is both heartbreaking and inspiring, while Park So-dam brings a chilling intensity to her role as Death. 3. Dr. Slump. Dr. Slump is a South Korean romantic medical comedy drama that initially aired in 2024. Dr. Slump brings humor and heart to the world of medical dramas. Nam Ha-neul and Yo Jang-woo, once high school rivals, find themselves living together after losing their jobs as doctors. As they navigate life's challenges, their rivalry gives way to friendship and eventually romance. While the series has some pacing issues, overall, it's an excellent examination of how two people can think of one another as enemies during one era of their lives and grow to care deeply for one another in another era. With its light-hearted tone and relatable characters, Dr. Slump is a feel-good drama that reminds us of the importance of second chances. Park Shin-hye and Park Hyung-sik's undeniable chemistry keeps the audience invested from start to finish. 2. Gyeongseon Creature. Gyeongseon Creature is an action horror thriller television series that Kang Yoon-kyung and Chung Dong-yoon created for Netflix. Set in 1945 during the Japanese occupation, Gyeongseon Creature combines history with horror to deliver a gripping narrative. Jung Tae-sang, a wealthy informant, teams up with Yoon Chae-ok, a fearless investigator, to confront a monstrous creature born from humanity's greed. With its stunning production value and thrilling plot, Gyeongseon Creature explores real-life atrocities alongside supernatural horror. The chemistry between Park Seo-joon and Ha So-hee adds depth to this action-packed drama. 1. Wonderful World. Topping our list is Wonderful World, a gripping revenge thriller about a grieving mother, Yoon Soo-hyun, who loses her son and is failed by the justice system. Taking matters into her own hands, she uncovers a web of mystery and corruption. Kim Nam-joo's powerful performance as a mother fueled by grief and determination is the heart of the show. Cha Yoon-woo surprises audiences with a layered portrayal of his complex character, shedding his usual image. With its intense storyline and emotional depth, Wonderful World is a masterpiece that will leave you speechless. Like many of 2024's best K-dramas, Wonderful World keeps up with the momentum it has built to create a show that is an interesting and heartbreaking addition to the genre. That's our list of the top 10 K-dramas of 2024. Which one is your favorite? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.